Man. Yeah. Luna, out. Luna, what are you doing? Where did that go? So you didn't like the pineapple. Okay. You like the grape though. Luna, out. Out. Luna, out. You're not allowed in here. Luna. I guess see you tomorrow, Graham. This dog's really hard to shut on hands. What's this? Ready? You're not eating that. What's the container I put the bunny food? Emma. Ready? Are you gonna give that back? Luna? Luna, come. Stay. You're not staying very well. You're on camera. It'd be nice if you stayed. I guess not. What's this? What's this? Zoom. You like being outside, don't you? There's always weeds in here. There's way too many weeds in this garden. I don't like it. I find the weeds are like right there, but not there. Or like in these two, or in these 3 boxes. Strawberries are looking really good. Same with the raspberries. This place is a mess. I need to work on it some more. And I hate the morning glory. So annoying. It's always trying to fit in this box. I don't know what it is about this box it likes so much. And these horsetails. They're also really annoying because, like, they're really hard to get rid of. These 2 boxes are looking nice. Grapes are just starting to come out. Blueberries are flowering. And currants, like over by the bunny cage, are like almost ripe. Same with the apple tree over there. Let's see what Luna's done to the pond. She usually like causes a mess in this place. Luna, come! You happy? Enjoying it out here? You usually like afraid. The pirate ship's still floating. By now that thing's usually upside down. Good, there's fish. That's nice. This pond is really murky. It's never been this murky before. Luna, what are you doing over there? I have to remember to take that container back. Let's see what's going on around the bunny cage. The buttercups are overgrown again. I hate those things. They really like this corner, and the bunny can't eat them, so I tried to get rid of them, but I can't. So I don't know what to do about them. Then back here, a lot of weeds, whatever those plants are. These things are annoying. They're taking out. I bet they're too, but it does. Hi. Lemon berries. That's nice. Don't see those often at this time of year. They're starting to come out. Bit of a wiper. That's a nice sound. Luna, come. It's really overgrown back here since last time I was here. Graham's happily standing on his brick. His name is Graham. It's spelled Graham. That's what his old owner named him. And they haven't changed it. And how did this netting on his cage break this badly? Something probably jumped on it. I know there's like a grizzly bear around out right now. What's that stick of yours, Luna? Mint. And buttercups. A lot of mint. This mint kind of started as like one little plant that basically died, and now it's taken over this whole area, which is better than the buttercups, not for things. And there's the currants. Once they turn red, they taste amazing. You like being a shark, don't you, Luna? Luna? Luna, what's this? You want the Kong? I put like a stick in the Kong. And you get the stick and Kong. Stick's too big. Stick or Kong? Stick. Oh, Kong. Or nothing. Flies are really bad out here. I don't like it. And these things. Just kind of sit out here. Dog's been slowly eating them. I probably should do something about them, but I haven't had the time, or I have had the time, but I haven't really wanted to, so I probably should. And there's the roof. And this stump where I threw a ball off for one of the other videos I've done. This used to be a bridge that I just built because I got bored, and I decided to take the board out of the center, and I broke it. Cause that's just fun. Where's my little shed I've built? The roof never got finished. Finished the roof sometime. Got a lot of projects I started and never finished. The garden, like the toy soldiers, whatever I was doing in the back over there. And the shed. I hope this. Yeah. Luna. This is a stick she likes. Apparently my name's like in this table. I don't know how it got there, but it's in the table. Weird. These are the chives. They're very good. This is the mess back here. There's the apples. They're starting to come out. I used to have two more apple trees, but they got cut down. Stump. Yeah, it's a stump. This rhubarb's not doing very good. That rhubarb you think's doing bad, but somehow it's actually doing good. That rhubarb is doing really good. There's the raspberries. Look, they've just started to flower. And then I guess I'll finish this video where it started, which is at the bunny cage. Ram's just happily grooming himself. That's what he does. He's very cute. He doesn't like being picked up though. Sad, but he doesn't like being picked up. There are way too many bugs in this yard right now. I think I can hear rats running around in the walls. Apparently there's a lot of rats in there. And they eat the bunny food, which is really annoying. They just make a mess. Enjoying that stick, aren't you, Lunars? This dog has way too many nicknames. Luna, do you like the smell of that? She has way too many nicknames, so her name's Luna, but we like call her Lunars, Puppers, and Nibbles, because she likes to nibble on things a lot. Way too much. You want the stick? Ready? Ready? Are you gonna get it? Come. Oh. What's this? Ready? There she goes. These flowers smell really good. A lot of bees back here. Hope the audio is okay. I'm recording this on a phone, so it might not be the best. It's probably better than the GoPro audio I've been recording for some videos. This is the first video that I've actually made that's meant for YouTube. And it's going to be the longest for a while, until probably tomorrow. Because I'm probably going to start uploading like a lot of videos. Then I'm just going to stop and forget about it. Maybe. Little tree 1, doing okay. That little tree, it's not doing that good. And this little tree's doing really good. Luna, that used to be the dog before you. Comet. This is Comet's grave. That's the cats. Only one cat wasn't a nice cat, and that's Star's grave. And then there's the mess of the backyard. That was a failed attempt at building a sled. This yard is a mess. Now that I really look at it. This is just the videos I'm using to start the channel, but if I don't know what videos like anyone watching this will be interesting, if anyone watches this. Of course, I should probably wait more than a day to decide if my channel's gonna be popular. But I can do dog videos, nature videos. Why are you eating the pirate? Luna, don't eat the pirate chip. Video gaming, music, videos as well, or 3D printing. Probably gonna do a mix. But I just really want to share dog videos right now. I'm gonna have one channel, and it's just gonna have a bunch of stuff on it. No theme. So you might get stuff that you don't want to watch. And there's probably not gonna be that many people watching this video. This is like the first proper video. What did you hear, Luna? So if you are watching this, it would be nice if you'd like and subscribe. Probably not gonna nag people to like and subscribe and stuff. Cool. Our neighbors' dogs are neighbors. But I don't know how this channel's gonna be because I've started it today. Might be good or might be horrible. I don't know. Hoping to have like a good amount of uploads. It might end up being like once a week, I don't know. But yeah. I guess I could do a gardening time lapse if I wanted. I can do a time lapse of me 3D printing something. This video's probably gotten really boring. So I guess I'm gonna end it here. Saying bye to the bunny. And this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed.